The Toughly screen protector. I'm going to show you how to put tempered glass screen protector on a Nokia 5.1 Plus. So first off, you need to clean the phone very well. So you have the cleaning wipes here. Just peel it off. This is wipe number 1. Remove it, and you're going to you're going to put it back here. And this is the dry wipe. The first one is wet and this one is dry. Remove the dry wipe and
make sure there's no liquid inside. You can see light spots here. And after you have wiped it, make sure you don't keep your finger inside the screen. There's too much liquid here. I'm going to lock the phone. What a stupid phone this is.
now it's nice and clean. Now what you want to do is place the let's wipe this again. What you want to do now is you have to position the scratch guard and you are going to have these stickers. These are called guide stickers. So you have to paste it. Now you gently remove the sticker. And once it's dropped, you're gonna use this and from the edges make sure you have it on a hard surface. Did a mistake there. So that's it, as simple as that. You don't have to be struggling with that or go to a shop to do this. And finally, when you're done with this, make sure there are no air bubbles inside. Lock your phone, only then it'll give you a proper view. And then it's time to peel off the sticker. I think Nokia needn't have a lock button here because I'm not using my lock button at all. I don't know why it is unlocking like crazy. Maybe it's the double tap. Yeah. So that's it, guys. If you have any doubts, put them in the comment section below. I've attached the link of the scratch protector for Nokia 5.1 Plus. Also, you can go to my channel and check out the drop test that I'll be doing on one of the Nokia 5.1 Plus, and also the original Nokia 5.1 Plus case. A review of that will be following as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you from the virtual drive.